Hello and welcome. At our core, we believe every business deserves the opportunity to succeed online. Our mission is to help you increase visibility, attract more qualified customers, and achieve sustainable growth through effective SEO and digital marketing strategies. We believe a website should be more than just an online brochure. It should be a powerful tool that builds trust and generates real inquiries for your business. We've helped businesses improve their rankings, strengthen their presence, and reach the exact customers who are searching for their services right now. We value long-term partnerships. As Martin, owner of AA Mobile Safety Certificates, puts it, we've supported his business for over a decade, growing from their first site to a modern WordPress platform. Whether you're launching a new venture or scaling an established brand, we're committed to your long-term success. Let's achieve your business goals together.